How to fix the Roblox installation error. So what we need to do is open up our computer search engine, and here we will search for run. Open up this system application. Now what we need to type is this percentage local app data and another percentage sign. Then click on OK. Now right here from this folder, what we're going to do is we're going to find the Roblox folder. So for example, here I'll just type R and I'll repeat R a few times until we're able to see Roblox. Open it up, and then here we will go to the versions folder and find your most recent version. So today is the 28th of June 2024, so this is my most recent version, my most recent folder. So just look at the date modified here and open up your version here. And what we want to do is actually open up the Roblox player launcher. If it doesn't open up for you, you will open up the Roblox player installer, and this is actually going to, as you can see, it says Roblox is successfully installed. Click the play button on any game to join, and now if we play Roblox, we will no longer have the install error. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.